Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
Hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
What is up, ninjas? My name is Semworld, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this cool trick that a lot of you guys really liked when I was doing my G House vocals live stream, where I was creating G House vocals for a brand new pack I'm releasing September 14. Now, the trick revolves around this little plugin called Little Altar Boy, which is from Sound Toys. And this plugin, what it generally does is it's going to transpose your vocals down. You're going to be able to mess with the format, which switches the tonality of the down pitch that you're doing to get some pretty cool vocals. But the thing I like about it, and the little secret technique in there, is setting up the robot mode where you have it go to -12. The vocal's gonna lose all its melodic content, and then you can mess with that to get your own melodic content out of it. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys in this video, and I promise you guys it's one of the sickest things you're ever gonna see and be able to do with vocals that are good or bad. And pertaining, let's say they're good and you still want this kind of vibe on your vocal, then this is gonna be really useful for you guys. So I've been sitting here for about 2 hours, guys, trying to come up with a tutorial for you guys, and I think this one's gonna be dope for you guys to learn from. But as always, if you guys want to support my channel, you guys can go over to evilsounds.com, where I have all my sound bank work. You guys can check it out. And if you like something you hear and you want to support me, again, you're supporting my videos being up for free for everybody to watch. If you like the way I teach, if you like what I teach, make sure to support me, guys. And let's get started with this cool, mint, fresh tutorial on vocals. Alright guys, so here we are inside of Ableton, inside of Little Altar Boy. Now, as I stated, Little Altar Boy lets you mess with the vocal in 3 different modes, and then you can transpose down and change the format, add a bit of drive, parallel, you know, wet, so you can have half and half, so you can make very demonic stuff. But the one we want to go with is going to be this robot. So let me show you guys the vocals I made, and please don't talk about how cringy they are, alright? Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. So that's the first one I made, and obviously it's like, it might work, but if I turn robot up, put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Now it sounds a little bit robotic, but what we can do is lower the pitch. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. And now we get something like,
put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
But the cool thing about that is after we do like a little bit of processing to it, you know, get rid of some of the frequencies that are kind of muddying it up a bit.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
Let's add a bit of CLA vocals as well on it after the Little Altar Boy, so that it doesn't get altered by the Altar Boy. So I don't know if it's the Altar Boy as in like the church, or you know what I'm saying. So pretty much we're gonna
put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
Let's get rid of the reverb to a.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
All right, so as you guys can see, this gives a cool vibe. Now the cool part of this is gonna come when we do Control-Shift-T. We're going to get a MIDI clip, we're going to Control-Shift-M, and then we're going to get this guy here. Now, if I start to go here into the output and send that to Little Altar Boy, this guy here, and Little Altar Boy, I can change this pitch knob. So pretty much if I have it here, I go to C3.
Put your hands up.
I can lower this down, and now it's going to control
put your hands up.
Little Altar Boy. So I can do stuff like this.
Put your hands up if you put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
Now, if you really want to get melodic and auto-tune the crap out of me and have melodics to it, you can stay in key, obviously.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock. Hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up.
So you can get really cool.
Hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
Now, of course, it's good if you know what key your vocal is in to start off with, so that you can get the melodics right. So you can use a little bit of Melodyne and vice versa. But this little trick is super cool because you can do stuff like that, or you can just keep it very simple where you're just switching between 2 notes.
Put your hands up if you want. Hands up if you want to rock. Hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
And that sounds super cool. Again, it gives such a nice vibe.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
And remember, you can change the format, which changes the tonality of it. We can go high and stay low.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
There's also quantized mode, which sounds a little bit different.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock.
So that one gives a different vibe as well. It's not as robotic, it's not as auto-tune-ish sounding, but it's still pretty cool.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
And then you can have half and half.
Put your hands up if you want to rock with me. Put your hands up if you want to rock with me.
So if you want to get that demonic vibe, you can. So that's just one vocal. And again, we have one here, which again, this one's a little bit cringy too.
Esta muchacha está bien loca.
So that means this girl is fucking crazy. This girl is fucking crazy, bro.
Esta muchacha está bien loca.
And again, roll.
Esta muchacha
Está bien loca. Esta muchacha está bien loca.
Reminds you a little bit of Todd Hilder's Ride It, before the drop on Ride It, similar to it.
Esta muchacha está bien loca.
Esta muchacha está bien loca. Esta muchacha está bien loca. Esta muchacha está bien loca.
So you can do that to it. But the cool thing is if you do have sample pack vocals, if you're a little bit shy about your voice, you can't make YouTube videos like I can and not give a fuck about people say, then you can use it on these type of vocals as well.
My princess, my sweet Cinderella.
Let's get rid of.
We just a company night. My princess, my sweet Cinderella. You up and kiss you, girl, I love you up forever.
So what we can do there again, little altar boy in robot mode, another way to apply.
My princess, my sweet Cinderella. Hug you up and kiss you, girl, I love you up forever.
Notice how it stays on the same key. So again, you can use those melodics to add that vibe. So we can have a G.
My princess, my sweet Cinderella. My princess, my sweet Cinderella. Hug you up and kiss you, girl, I love you up forever.
So you can do some cool stuff. And again, creativeness is everything, because if you have a vocal just going all the way through, then you can apply this on it and just switch between melodies. And finally, the last vocal I have right here, guys, is this one called Jump Up. But again, I think you know the idea of this.
We just a company nice the place.
We just a company nice the place up and get up, turn up, everybody jump up. We just a company nice the place up.
Okay, now there are a couple of things you need to watch out for before we end this video. First off, when you use the format mode, you're turning the vocal a little bit more stereo. So I do suggest you use a mono after it. Right now it's in stereo because of the format here. So little altar boy is making it stereo, but again, you can always go with a mono style of plugin that allows you to set something in mono. Make sure you go left only or right only, so you get something clean, because if you go in stereo, you're gonna hear the phasing in it, because again, when you get something stereo, it's either it's out of phase, which means the left and the right channel are not adding up, they're not playing at the same time, so you're gonna get that phase kind of vibe to it, which you don't want. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little trick, and I hope to hear it in some of your songs in the live stream feedbacks, guys. And I'll see you guys another time for a brand new video, guys. But I just wanted to get something out for you guys, because I didn't really release videos this week. But as always, I want to teach you guys some of the shit that's gonna inspire you guys to make a song, and I'm sure this will inspire a lot of you guys. Now, you guys take care, ninjas, and I'll see you guys again for another video soon, hopefully. And peace out.
Got me burning up with you.